Imagine a world where the last true frontier of human privacy, the dream, is no longer your own. For 364 days a year, you are an individual with private thoughts and unique memories. But for one night, the entire human race is drafted into the same theater. No matter if you are in a high-rise in Manhattan or a village in the Andes, when the clock strikes the appointed hour, 8 billion minds click into place like gears in a giant invisible machine. We call it the synchrony. On the morning after the world wakes up to a heavy, suffocating silence, news anchors don't report on politics. They sit at their desks, staring into the camera with wide eyes, asking the same silent question as everyone else. Social media isn't filled with arguments, but with people trying to find words for the impossible. They describe the same violet sky, the same city of glass, and the same haunting melody that echoed through their collective subconscious. Think about the psychological weight. For centuries, we have defined ourselves by our differences. We have built walls and fought wars over lines in the dirt. Now, how do you hate a stranger when you have shared their heartbeat in a dream? How do you command a soldier to fire upon an enemy who, just hours ago, was standing next to him in a field of golden light, witnessing the same cosmic truth? The foundations of nations and classes would begin to dissolve. We would realize we are not separate souls, but a single, massive, dreaming organism. Science would face a total revolution. This wouldn't be just an anomaly, it would be the greatest data set in history. If the dream contained a specific geometric pattern, it would be decoded within hours. We might find that these dreams are firmware updates for the human brain. We could witness a leap in technology that should have taken millennia, as millions of physicists see the solution to quantum gravity in the same night. But unity has a darker shadow. If we all see the same dream, what happens to the individual? In a world of total synchronization, a private thought becomes an act of defiance. Governments might analyze the dream to predict behavior, turning our subconscious into the ultimate tool for mass control. The synchrony would become the pivot point of history. We would go to sleep wondering if the message will turn from a gift into a warning. It is a mirror showing us that we are terrifyingly alone in the universe, yet never truly alone in our heads. If we are all dreaming the same dream, the only question left is, who is the one dreaming us?